Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter is designed for professionals and users who need a dependable tool for everyday electrical measurements. Built with practical features focused on safety and convenience, this digital multimeter is aimed at electricians, technicians, and anyone who regularly works with electrical systems and needs a reliable way to check voltage and other measurements. One of the key features of the Fluke 117 is its non-contact AC voltage detection capability. This allows users to detect the presence of AC voltage without making direct contact with the conductor, adding an extra layer of convenience when checking electrical sources. For troubleshooting tasks and routine electrical work, this type of detection can help make the process faster and more efficient. The multimeter is built around accurate measurement performance, making it suitable for a variety of electrical testing situations. A quality digital multimeter like this is useful for checking circuits, diagnosing electrical issues, and verifying readings during maintenance or installation work. The Fluke name is widely associated with professional test equipment, and the 117 model focuses on providing the essential functions needed for everyday electrical applications. Its design is intended to support users who need a straightforward testing device without unnecessary complexity. Instead of focusing on excessive features, the Fluke 117 provides the core functionality needed for dependable electrical measurements. This makes it a practical option for technicians who want a tool that can fit into regular work routines. For users working in residential, commercial, or maintenance environments, having a trusted multimeter can make electrical troubleshooting more manageable. The Fluke 117 is especially suited for those who value accuracy, ease of use, and safety-focused features in their testing equipment. Like any professional measurement tool, the right choice depends on the specific requirements of the user. Those needing advanced functions beyond basic electrical testing may need to look at other models with additional capabilities. However, for users looking for a reliable digital multimeter with non-contact AC voltage detection and essential measurement features, the Fluke 117 offers a balanced combination of practicality and professional-focused design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.